Got fatty liver? You're not alone. Nearly 1 in 4 adults has it, and most don't even know. But here's the good news. You can start repairing your liver today with the right foods. In this video, I'll show you 13 powerful foods that help heal fatty liver, reduce inflammation, and protect your liver long term, backed by science. Simple to add to your diet. Let's get into it. Fatty liver disease, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, now affects nearly 1 in 4 adults worldwide. And it's not just people who drink alcohol. Obesity, insulin resistance, and poor diet are the biggest triggers. If left untreated, NAFLD can quietly progress to inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. But here's the hopeful part. Your liver can repair itself. With the right nutrition, you can reduce fat buildup, lower liver enzymes, and start the healing process. In this video, I'll walk you through 13 science-backed foods that support liver repair, naturally and effectively. Let's break down the top 13 liver healing foods and what they actually do. Coffee. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It's a liver protector. Studies show coffee can lower liver enzymes, slow fibrosis, and reduce inflammation in people with fatty liver. Both regular and decaf versions work, but ground coffee seems to have the most benefit. Just 3 to 4 cups a day may make a big difference. 2. Beans, kidney, lentils, chickpeas. Beans are fiber-rich and protein-packed, great for digestion and weight control. And because weight loss is key to reversing fatty liver, that fiber really counts. Beans also help reduce fat buildup in the liver, making them a smart staple. Raw garlic. Garlic is a natural detox powerhouse. It contains allicin and selenium, which help activate liver-cleaning enzymes and flush out toxins. Raw, chopped garlic gives the most benefit, so toss some into dressings, dips, or salads. 4. Avocados. These creamy fruits are full of glutathione-boosting compounds and healthy fats that help calm liver inflammation. They're also rich in vitamin E, which fights oxidative stress inside liver cells. A few slices a day can go a long way. 5. Sunflower seeds. Just a handful of sunflower seeds gives you a mega dose of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect liver cells from damage and may slow the progression of fatty liver. Natural, unsalted versions are best. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that supports weight loss and reduces liver fat. It also helps regulate blood sugar, another big win for liver health. Go for steel-cut or whole oats over instant varieties. 7. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cabbage. These vegetables are rich in sulforaphane, which boosts your body's natural detox enzymes, especially in the liver. They also increase glutathione, a key antioxidant that helps the liver process toxins. Steam, stir-fry, or blend them into smoothies. 8. Globe artichokes. Artichokes support bile production, which helps the liver break down fats more efficiently. They contain cynurin, a compound shown to regenerate liver cells and improve liver function. Fresh or extract, both can help. 9. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerols and shogaols, compounds that lower inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. In one study, NAFLD patients who took ginger daily had lower liver enzyme levels in just 12 weeks. Add fresh ginger to meals or sip ginger tea. 10. Green tea. Green tea may help lower ALT and AST enzymes, which rise with liver damage. But be careful. Green tea extract in high doses has been linked to rare cases of liver injury. Moderate intake is key. 11. Olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce liver fat and inflammation. One study found people who ate the most olive oil had a 26% lower risk of NAFLD. Use it raw, drizzle over salads or veggies. 12. Turmeric. Turmeric's main active ingredient, curcumin, helps reduce liver inflammation and lower ALT-AST enzymes. But you need high doses for clinical benefits. Consider supplements or cook with black pepper to boost absorption. 13. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fatty fish are packed with omega-3s, which help reduce liver fat and inflammation. They also lower triglycerides and support insulin sensitivity. Aim for at least 2 servings per week. These 13 foods are powerful, but they work best when paired with the right lifestyle. Exercise regularly, even 30 minutes a day, can improve liver function. Lose excess weight. Dropping just 5 to 10% of body weight can start reversing fatty liver. Cut alcohol completely. Even small amounts can worsen the damage. Avoid added sugars, especially in drinks, snacks, and processed foods. And finally, manage stress. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, which harms your liver over time. Small changes, big results. Want to take charge of your liver health? Start with just one of these healing foods today. If this video helped you, tap that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical health tips, straight to the point.